Are your to-dos getting out of control? I don't know a single professional person who gets through their entire to-do list every day. I certainly don't, and neither do my clients. And ending the day with a slew of undone tasks is actually pretty stressful. It makes you feel ineffective, and it sends you off into your personal time worrying about all the things that didn't get done. And since your to-do list is never ending, work becomes a recipe for stress, anxiety, and angst. So here are 2 things you can do to manage your productive energy, get more done, and reverse the slide towards burnout. First, a mindset fix. Focus less on tasks and more on accomplishments. List your important accomplishments you're working on at the top of the list before all the tasks that have to get done. Trust that all the necessary tasks will get done when you're focused on these highest priority accomplishments, the things that matter to the business, the things you'll be able to claim as wins during interviews and performance reviews. For example, instead of listing out every task related to an upcoming client presentation, list the accomplishment you're focused on, which is upselling the client into a more committed relationship. When you're focused on that higher priority business outcome, the tasks will prioritize themselves as you do the work. Focusing on the goal will help you organize your tasks against the time and the energy you have every day to get things done. Second, a productivity tip. Recognize that priorities naturally shift every day as life happens. Take the last 15 minutes of every day and rewrite your list of key accomplishments and key tasks that you need to do for the next day. Even if it's mostly the same list, something changed today and you need to rethink how you're going to get all this done tomorrow. Use this 15 minutes to feel good about what you did get done today and get your head around what's most important to do tomorrow. And as you're writing, focus on how good it's going to feel to get those highest priority things done tomorrow. Go to your evening activities confident that you've set yourself up for a good day starting the next morning. Remember, success isn't a completed to-do list, it's results. So how do you handle all the unending to-dos?